Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of a Twtr INC. Now if you are looking at the price performance of a Twtr, the stock has already corrected nearly 60% from its top, and the volatility continues as far as the current price is concerned. So let us see how or what are the things that we need to understand as far as the long-term chart or the weekly chart rather of Twtr is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now as far as the trends are concerned, let me tell you one thing very clearly, that there is indeed a big possibility that the stock may retest 29 and $26 on the downside. Okay, so there is a possibility that it will retest 26 and 29 as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. So better be worry about that, but rather than worry, use these two levels as your immediate buying zone or lower term support and stop loss. So please do not go below $26 as this is going to be your stop loss on the downside, but at the same time these two levels will be considered as your best buying zone. Now what about the upside? So what are the levels that we're going to look at as far as the upper end of the range is concerned? That's what we are going to discuss further. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Now as far as the upside is concerned, there is a clear trend that is visible in front of you. As you can see, a clear trend which is visible, and let me tell you, this is for the next upcoming months and years. This is not at all for the short term, because in a short term there is a huge amount of volatility that market is throwing towards us. So we don't know how much time will it further take, but what we do know is if this trend works out, then the big range or the big target that we are looking at in the upcoming months and years will be in between 110 and 140. Okay, so these are the next two targets that we are looking at. Basically, if you are looking at the price chart of Twtr, it goes something like this. This is the first and this is the second, which is about to end, and there happens the third. Okay, and that's what we are looking at as far as the weekly chart of a Twtr is concerned. So the downside is limited, but as far as the upside is concerned, and if the stock sustains in between or above 26 and 29, and then we will have a big move on the upside as far as the weekly chart of Twtr is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.